Good morning, student. Now we continue our lecture, that is increasing and decreasing function. Exercise 6.2. Okay. Next question is our ninth question. We have y is equal to 4 sine theta divided by 2 plus cos theta minus theta is an increasing function between theta in 0 to pi by 2. We have to prove that ये फंक्शन इंक्रीजिंग है मीन्स ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव वैल्यू है इन दिस इंटरवल बेटा. तो फर्स्टली वी फाइंड आउट dy by d theta. Very important question. Simply dy by uh, it will come डिनोमिनेटर का स्केयर that is 2 plus cos theta whole square 2 plus cos theta 4 sin theta का डेरिवेटिव यू नो साइन थीटा का डेरिवेटिव है कोस थीटा माइनस न्यूमिनेटर एज इट इज 4 sin theta डेरिवेटिव ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर 2 डेरिवेटिव इज 0 कांस्टेंट फंक्शन डेरिवेटिव cos थीटा का डेरिवेटिव माइनस sin थीटा दैट इज इट विल कम माइनस sin थीटा ओके माइनस 1 2 plus cos theta का होल स्क्वायर टेक एलसीएम it will come 4 to the 4 cos theta multiply this 4 to the 8 cos theta plus 4 cos square theta plus 4 cos square theta minus minus plus 4 sin square theta minus that is 2 plus cos theta whole square. Simple calculation. Now it will come denominator as it is 2 plus cos theta whole square 8 cos theta plus 4 is common cos square theta plus sin square theta minus a square plus b square that is 4 plus cos square theta plus 4 cos theta. It will come 2 plus cos theta complete whole square cos square theta plus sin square theta 1 4 plus 8 cos theta minus 4 minus cos square theta minus 4 cos theta. 4 to 4 cancel out 8 cos theta minus 4 cos theta that is 4 cos theta minus cos square theta divided by 2 plus cos theta complete whole square. Now it will come taking for cos theta common you will get cos theta 4 minus cos theta divided by 2 plus cos theta whole square. Now since in denominator it is square so it never be negative it's always be positive because of square. Cos theta in interval 0 to pi by 2 is always positive. In first quadrant cos theta is positive that is positive. 4 minus cos theta बेटा cos theta की वैल्यू कहां से कहां तक लाई करते हैं यू नो 0 to 1 so 4 minus this value is always positive. Positive multiply positive divided by positive so f dash theta is always positive, so function is increasing. Function is increasing. Now next question we have, prove that logarithmic function is strictly increasing on 0 to infinity. Logarithmic function fx is equal to log x. This is always increasing in 0 to infinity beta. 0 to infinity means इस रेंज डोमेन में चेक करना है that this function is always increasing. So firstly find out f dash x, that is 1 by x. You know 1 by x is always positive from this to this value. So f dash x is greater than 0 always. Function is strictly increasing. Next question 11. Prove that the function f given by fx is equal to this is neither strictly increasing nor strictly decreasing on interval -1 to 1. fx given क्या है बेटा हमें x square minus x plus 1. प्रूव करना है -1 to 1 में neither strictly increasing nor strictly decreasing. First f dash x find out. We have 2x minus 1. f dash x is 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Put up कीजिए 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 1 by 2. So interval will be divided into -1, 1 and 1 by 2. 1 by 2 to this side. वैल्यू पुटअप कीजिए बेटा इसमें 0. 0 पुटअप करने से यू विल गेट नेगेटिव वैल्यू. इंटरवल साइन एंड नेचर. -1 to 1 by 2 negative decreasing, and 1 by 2 to this. If you put 1 by 2 to that side, you get this function is positive. 1 by 2 to 1 function is positive, it's be increasing. A function is decreasing and increasing in a interval, then you say sir the function is neither decreasing nor increasing in that interval. Okay, next question, which of the following function are strictly increasing in 0 to pi by 2. गिवन है हमें बेटा 0 to pi by 2, which of the function is strictly increasing. Firstly function है cos x, then what is f dash x, minus sin x. Cos x का डेरिवेटिव minus sin x. 0 to pi by 2 sin x is always positive, but minus sin x is f dash x is less than 0, so function is decreasing. cos 2x, fx सेम, cos 2x ये -2 sin 2x बन जाएगा बेटा. ठीक है, तो fx इज इक्वल टू cos 2x, f dash x -2 sin 2x. x belongs to 0 to pi by 2, then बेटा 2x belongs to 2 multiply 0 to pi. Now we know 0 to pi तक sin function क्या होता है, always positive, but minus of this f dash x is always negative, less than 0, so function is decreasing. Same for the third, do as the example, and last one is fx is equal to 10x, then f dash x is equal to secant square x, or secant square x is always positive in that interval 0 to pi by 2. Okay, now next question we have 13th. fx is equal to x raised to the power 100 plus sin x minus 1 is strictly increasing on which of the following function. इनमें से किस इंटरवल में बेटा फंक्शन स्ट्रिक्टली इंक्रीजिंग. f dash x निकाल लीजिए, 100 x raised to the power 99 प्लस कोस एक्स। अब देखिए बेटा, 0 to 1 दोनों वैल्यू पॉजिटिव हैं, ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव। पाई बाय टू टू पाई, पाई बाय टू की कोई भी वैल्यू पुटअप कीजिए बेटा, ये बहुत बड़ी वैल्यू होगी, और पाई बाय टू से पाई तक इसकी वैल्यू 1 से लेस रहेगी। ठीक है, नेगेटिव में रहेगा बट वैल्यू लेस रहेगी, तो एफ डैश एक्स इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव ग्रेटर देन 0। सेम 0 to पाई बाय 2 में भी ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव, तो ऑप्शन इज डी, नन ऑफ दीज। ओके, आज के लिए इनफ बेटा, बाय, टेक केयर।